grasses grow. My sweetheart is waiting for me. He's lying alone in a corner of France, with so many men brave as he.
I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of our Twinkl Tunes original song, Where the Red Poppies Bloom. This reflective song has been designed for Remembrance Day on the 11th of November for all primary age children. To find our original songs, simply search for Twinkl Tunes Original Songs before selecting your key stage. Alternatively, you can select your key stage from the Twinkl menu tabs, then select Music, then scroll down and select Original Songs. Once downloaded, you'll have 3 options of files to open, either the backing track PowerPoint or the vocal track PowerPoint, and the lyrics sheet PDF. All of our songs have been written by our music team with your learners in mind, so whether you want to sit back and listen, sing along, or perform for an audience, we have the songs you need right here.